Hello, folks. Willem here, Owasco RV, and I just wanted to show you today a little bit of the motorized section we have in the showroom. So, as you can see, even in the wintertime, you can come inside and shop our beautiful motorhomes. We have some C-Class in here. This is a Winnebago View. We have some B pluses in here. We have a Pleasureway. We have a Winnebago Solace in here, which is a B class with a pop top roof. And then we also have a road trek in here. But today I want to focus a little bit on our Class A that we have in the showroom. This is a 2023 clearance unit. It's the Alante 29S. So it's a beautiful, beautiful motorhome for a great price. We have the largest windshield in its class on the Jayco A-class motorhomes. As you can see, the window actually drapes around the side, so the view in this motorhome, the A-pillars are very, very small. We have a great view. We don't really have to worry about side view because we do have side view cameras. We do have a rear backup camera. This unit has a full fiberglass roof. So we don't have to worry about a rubber roof ripping with trees. We have frameless windows. We have a television on the outside with a huge awning, so if the game is on, we can watch TV on the outside. The reason people buy a Class A versus a Class C is basically because it has a ton of storage. When we look at these compartments, they are all lit. They're motion sensing lights. Um, the amount of storage you get on a Class A is incredible compared to, of course, a Class C. The other thing that people buy a Class A for is the view you get from the front. It's like driving with a high definition television right in front of you. So you can see the mountains, the woods, you can see the traffic really well. You're seeing right over top. We do have a nice big awning that stretches the whole side of the unit. We have an outside stereo. We have outside speakers. We have an HDMI input. This is a smart TV, by the way, folks. So you can watch your games outside. You can stream your games outside. Again, ton of storage on this unit. All these compartments are rotocast, so we don't have to worry about carpet in there. We don't have to worry about smell. Uh, all these doors are insulated as well. So slam latches, so they close easy, no fumbling with your keys. We on this particular unit, the 29S Alante, we also have an outdoor fridge and a little outdoor kitchen. So if you're that type that likes to cook outside or drink outside, our beverages are right here. We don't have to go inside. We don't get any flies or anything like that inside. Everything is nicely accessible. We have a little drawer here for your utensils. We have a little sink with hot and cold running water. On the outside, it does have a propane hookup as well, so we can hook up a barbecue or a griddle to make your food outside. On the back here, we have a ladder. The roofs on the Jayco are fully walkable. So again, it's a fiberglass roof, fully walkable. Possibility to put a bike rack on here. We're displaying our bike rack for electric bikes on here. This does not come with the unit, but it's available right from our parts department as well. Our lights are LED in the back, and the Jaycos do have the third brake light as well. So you can see safety is a priority for Jayco as well. We do have the backup camera there as well. On the slide outs, on this side, on this particular unit, it has the cover over the slide out as well. So if you're camping in an area where there's lots of trees, pine needles, or anything like that, it protects the slide, first of all, from water, but also from debris. So I'll have a look inside with you very, very shortly. Welcome to the inside of this Alante 29S, on sale right now at Owasco RV. So as you can see, the view on a Class A is just incredible. When we drive, we can just see about everything. We can see over top of everything. You'll notice how the dash is angled. So we have an easy view of the cameras. We have the side cameras and the rear cameras. The unit comes with Sirius XM as well. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, it's all there. We have auto leveling, so a one push button leveling. You just hit the button, unit levels itself. Over the cab, we have a bed. It's a queen size bed with a Euro a loft, they call this. And this bed will come down to about here. The Jayco bunk holds 750 pounds. The industry normal is 450 to 500. So Jayco gives you the 750 pounds so it can hold 2 adults. This sofa here will fold flat. So if you have grandchildren or anything like that, you can fold this flat and you can make it into another bed. The same with the dinette. We also can fold that down to a bed as well. You'll notice that the Jayco in the dinettes have the child seat tethers as well. So safety is a priority for Jayco, as we talked about before. The cabinets on these units, they're all real wood. So this is mortise and tenon with a loose lay, so that when it gets hot or cold in here, this unit, these cabinets won't expand and crack. Jayco only uses real wood on their units. All the windows are screened and open like an awning, so you can leave them open while it's in the rain, while it's raining. Then we have wireless charging, but we also have the tower of power right there. So it gives you the USB, gives you your appliance plugins, and if you're not using it, you put it down, create that extra counter space, and we do have wireless charging for your phone as well. We have a huge television that's on a bracket that is able to angle towards the sofa, so we can make that go either way or to the front seats. We do have smart televisions in this unit. We have 3 TVs. So I talked about the outside TV a little earlier. We have one inside here. We also can get one into the bedroom. This one is not installed, but it's available if you order a unit. The fridge on all Jaycos, all new Jaycos, will be a 12-volt fridge. Advantage to a 12-volt fridge is that it's bigger than the propane electric fridges that we used to have. So we don't have the fins in the back. So this is a 10 cubic foot 12-volt fridge. The fridge will run off the battery, but this unit is also equipped with solar as well. So if you're dry camping, we have the solar, we have the generator. We can start the unit up or we can plug it in. So many ways to recharge. We do have a microwave, we have a 3-burner stove, even an oven. Now, if we look at the bathroom, the nicest feature probably about the bathroom is the sliding door that comes across. And this is a fancy sliding door right up here that looks like a barn door. Probably never seen that inside of a motorhome. The unit comes with a 1200 watt inverter that runs the televisions and the 2 outlets beside the bed for folks that have a sleep machine. And then it comes with a full-size queen bed at the back. 60 by 80 queen bed. Lots of storage, lots of wardrobe storage, 2 air conditioners, 4 kilowatt generator, and the engine on this is a 7.3 liter V8 with 350 horsepower and 468 foot-pounds of torque. So no problem towing something. You can actually tow 5,000 pounds. So this is the Jayco Alante 29S, and it's available now at Owasco RV. We also have a couple of used A-Class motorhomes. We have a 2019 Pursuit, and we have a 2016 Georgetown available for great prices.